Oh, that truck already went, by the way. So here we go. That one. Here we go. We're going to line these guys up over there.
Next is the state trooper.
Next is that cop car.
You guys are probably wondering, why is a state trooper doing a burnout? Don't ask.
Oh, and by the way, this is a new video because the other one wasn't recorded. So, hey guys. We're not doing any of the cop cars right here in this row.
But mine.
Besides that thing and that. So these two are going against after that one. So, let's go. Oh, better take this tower. How about you do the filming for mine? I just took this off. My butt. Here you go.
Are you wondering? Here's all the cars that just went. Yes, we're in the sunlight. If you can't see it.
If you're wondering why this thing is going up, it's because this thing actually has a souped up engine in it. Look. There you go. Can you come back over here?
There's that one.
Now the truck that this thing is on might do one, but this thing, oh.
Yes, it breaks.
But this thing is actually kind of cool.
Yeah.
So, yes, it's doing a burnout.
And if you're wondering who's holding the camera phone type thing, it's me.
My friend Tyler. No. Watch it break. Dang it. And actually did it. Yes. Now I gotta load this thing up on this truck because that's.
Let me get it into the shade.
You know.
So you can see it now.
You know how that thing broke? Yeah.
Yeah, that's why. You guys are probably wondering why there's like, well, why couldn't you just